The big players hunt for liquidity. But do you really know what that means? Today, I'll show you how to recognize a liquidity hunt in crypto and how Altrady can help you avoid them before it's too late. Because in trading, the winners aren't the ones who follow the crowd. They're the ones who understand where the crowd will get hit. Let's start with a theory. A liquidity hunt, also known as a stop run, is a typical move used by institutional or algorithmic players to collect liquidity in the zones where retail traders place their stop losses. Imagine the market as an ocean. Liquidity is the fish. The big sharks, hedge funds, market makers, and smart money never swim randomly. They seek out areas where they know they will find a school of fish, clusters of stop losses placed by less experienced traders. When the price reaches those areas, boom, a sudden spike triggers all the stops. The market fakes a breakout and then reverses in the opposite direction. This is the Bitcoin USDT on the daily chart on the 27th of October 25th. That's not a market error, it's a perfectly orchestrated trap. Now let's look at another real example. Here's the daily chart of Bitcoin USDT on April 7, 2025. Notice this support zone that caught retail traders' attention for days. Many had their stops placed right below it. When the price broke the level, it looked like the start of a dump. But look what happened right after that. A sharp reversal, rising volume, and a close back above the zone. That's your classic stop run. The problem is, without advanced scanning or alert tools, you can't anticipate these moves. And that's exactly where Altrady comes in. With Altrady, you can monitor and react to these dynamics in real time. Here's how. Step 1. Set alerts on stop cluster zones. Using Altrady's integrated analysis tools, you can mark key support and resistance levels and get instant notifications when the price approaches these areas. Step 2. Use the base scanner or quick scanner. These tools allow you to detect price anomalies, unusual volume spikes, and sudden moves across multiple exchanges in seconds. Step 3. Monitor the order book in real time. See where long and short orders are stacked and at which price levels. Think of it like having a radar that constantly watches the market. Whenever something unusual happens, Altrady alerts you instantly, so you can decide whether to avoid the trap or take advantage of the opportunity. The truth is, most trading platforms don't give you these features. They only show you the price, not the reason behind the move. With Altrady, you get real-time order book data, alerts on liquidity clusters and key zones, proprietary indicators based on smart money concepts, and full position management with trailing stop loss, following take profits, and dynamic strategies. It's a complete professional toolkit built for traders who want to read the market like institutions do, not get trapped by it. Altrady isn't just a platform. It's your operational base in the crypto world. If you want to stop chasing the market and start mastering it, try Altrady today. The link is in the description, and subscribe for more educational videos and professional trading insights. The professional side of crypto trading starts here, and it starts with Altrady.